Hello, this is Mr. Tyler. I'm doing a tutorial for Excel Chapter 5, Project 2. So you'll click on this, and then what will happen is you want to make sure that it's in Google Sheets, okay, Google Sheets. And when you do, then it should pop up like this, okay? Now, here's the interesting thing. It says follow the directions on equipment usage report tab. So I want to show you something on here that I already did for you, so you didn't have to do it. So up here is it's called a name box. And so on this Highland construction, because this is a accounting package, I went ahead and made this add hours. So add hours mean I can highlight all of that and then name it. So I named it add hours. Well, why do I want to do that? I'll show you a reason why here in a second. Then I went to this, R hours. So those are repair hours. I highlighted all that information right there and named it R hours. And you'll understand here in a second. It'll make lots of sense here. Then I named this S hours. So this is service hours. Highlighted that. Now let's go to the equipment usage report tab. Now here is the cool thing about it. So here's an accounting package, and I love this because now, okay, if my company needs to know some information about the different levels, okay, then I name it those hours, but over those many months, I just highlight that. And now I create a formula and right here. So I'm going to type in B3. So there's B and there's 3. So I'm going to write this formula because I already have it over here. Equal. So let's do that. Equal. And then sum. And then beginning parentheses. And then what you'll notice is instead of typing numbers, now I can type add hours. Now look at this. I can click on it and then put in parentheses. And when I hit enter, watch what happens. Automatically renders a number for me. So now the next one says type in B4, and I type in equals sum, S-U-M, beginning in parentheses, and then U-N, and you'll notice it's gonna, is it gonna let me, no, hours. So let me type that in there, and then I hit enter. And then notice, it says I typed it wrong. So the reason why I did that is because I wanted to show you that if you type the name wrong, okay, then it's going to render wrong. So equals sum, so you can't misspell here, okay? Then notice how UD, right, UD. Now notice I have it right here, UD hours, copy that. Click on that, I hit enter, and then automatically renders that number, okay? Now, these two numbers I want to sum together. So I type in equals, it's really just straightforward. And notice it's intuitive. So it's saying, do I want B3 to B4? I sure do. I click on that, I hit enter, and then it renders 255. Now, let's come down here to where I have repairs, and I type in equals, and then sum, S-U-M, in beginning parentheses. And what did I put in there? R hours, because I'm wanting to know what are the R hours that I highlighted. And then I put the end of parentheses, and I hit enter, and voila, it equals 104. And then servicing. What do I do? Right there, number 5, type in B8 equals sum. You'll notice that. And then what am I typing? S hours. So I can click on this and then into parentheses. And then I hit enter and voila, it automatically puts it in there. Now here's kind of the beauty of this. Total repairs of repair and / service hours. So I type in this formula equals, and then it's intuitive, because I'm wanting to know, and then I hit enter, and voila, it gives me the information here directly for you. And then I did all that by just highlighting things in this. This is called a name box, and I didn't have you do that. The book does that. It has you highlight all that stuff, and I thought, well, it'll be a little hard to explain that to you. So I went ahead and highlighted for you and then named them for you. But anyway, I wanted you to know that that's how that information comes, and I hope this helps you out with your tutorial. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.